welcome to my channel. Now, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is Israel Independence Day. Happy Independence Day, Israel. I visited Beersheba. I buy tayo the buldak. Mas mura kasi yung buldak dito. 10 shekel isang balot 50 shekel. Ayan o, nagbebenta sila ng mga flag. Happy Independence Day, Israel. Please watch this. Kano kaya ito? Gusto kong bumili. Mga Israel flag. Sa bintana ko ilalagay. Ikad ka, mase? 10 shekel? Ay, sorry. Separate. 5 pieces, 10 shekel. Bili na kayo. Everybody buy here. Very cheap. How about there? 10 shekel headband? I like this. Kaso hindi to kasi sa akin. This one, 10 shekel? This one, 10 shekel?
5. You have more here and there.
יש לך פתוח? סליחה שאני רק
מה
אקרא.
זה?
60 על 80?
אני פתוח, אבל זה קטן, זה.
5 shekel lang. Ito, bilhin
קח
ko.
את זה.
זה רק אחריו?
לא, הרב זה 1.10 על 80.
I will buy 2. 20 shekel all.
Thank you.
Mura siya. May ibang design. May nailaw, may may puso. This one heart. Nailaw kaya ito?
זה החנות, זה הכל בשקל? לא, עוד אחד? עוד אחד.
5 shekel?
Ha?
5 shekel? Nailaw siya. May puso. Isa po ay puso. Kukunin ko yung may puso. May flag na lang ako. Para iba-iba naman. Sorry. This is 5 shekel and then this heart. Heart and flag. Diba?